Take a second to look at this data set. No big deal. Just take a second to look at it. I'm going to teach you some shortcuts here, and I'm going to teach you some validation techniques so that when we start doing the Copilot-y fun whiz-bang things, you have instant confidence that it's returning what you think it should be returning, okay? Remember, if I'm anything, I'm a data professional. Data sets like this are a part of our everyday life. Numbers will show up. You would be surprised how many people I meet that never scroll down. They open up this and they never scroll down. That's insanity to me. Don't take everything at face value. Take a look at it, especially if we're going to start putting tooling on top of it. The very first thing we're going to do is turn on auto calculate because the aggregate values are critical to your life and you maybe just don't know it. Okay. These are system settings, so once we turn these on, they're on forever, and they'll work in any selection you make inside your spreadsheet. The first thing I want to do is get all the way to the bottom of this data set, not the bottom of Excel. That's a million rows down. I just want to get to the bottom of the data. To do that, you're going to hold Shift, hold Control, and press your down arrow. This takes you to the end. Allegedly, just scroll down, make sure it's really the end. Okay. All right, look at my screen up here. On this bottom right-hand side, you see all these aggregate values? Okay, do you have those? If you do not have all of them, right-click the one you see, the one or two you see, and you'll be able to check them all off. This allows you to select any group of numbers, letters, dates, and get the aggregate values from them, okay? This tells me that I have 2,192 records in this data set, right? Count counts everything, including the header. Count numbers gives me 2,192, telling me that this is the record count of this data set. That means if I see a variable on a dashboard, on a pivot, or anything else, and it says something other than 2,192, then something is off. Something is missing. Does that make sense? Okay. All right, do Control Home to go back up to A1.